time. The parts for the H22, some of the parts for the H22 have showed up. I'm about to crack it open and see what we got in here. All right, you guys, we got the Skunk 2 valve train. Some of the stuff, some of it. So I was told that I should stick with the cam that's already in the motor, which is a Euro R cam. So we're gonna rock that, see how that works, and then upgrade to the Skunk 2, just so we can stay with the theme here. We got a receipt, and then holy cow, a bunch of stickers. Dang, bro, real parts. All right, I'm gonna pull these out, lay them out, show you guys what we got. Prevent any leaking of oil, and then some new seats. I believe you needed these for the new springs so they can sit on top. And then we're gonna crack these open, and I gotta say these boxes are pretty sick. The logo's tight. I like it. I like it. I was gonna go with the Pro Series valve springs, but I was like, let's start mellow and go for the Alpha, and then we can bump it up and move up and see how there's a difference. I believe the Pro Series is for people that are trying to be boosted, and I don't plan on doing that until maybe next year. So we're gonna rock with the all motor version and go with the Alphas. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Super nice. More stickers. But I want to jump straight to the goods and see what we got here. Oh, the cam gears. All right, so these are both cam gears. All right. What did I order? Oh, okay, so I got those springs. You know, I expected all this stuff to be a lot heavier in the package. I was like, damn, is all my stuff in here? But yo, this is all light. That is beautiful. Pro Series. Damn, I never owned any sort of items like this before. This is tight. Crack open his brother. Same deal. Oh, hold the phone. Did I only buy one freaking cam gear, bro? Titanium valve seals right here. Dude, I'm super confused on this. Did I only buy one? Oh, snap. Yo, that tripped me out. All right, we got both in here. Dude, I knew I ordered more stuff. That freaked me out. So there's two in the box. Titanium valve steel. So I heard the titanium wear out faster than the steel, but these are lighter, so that's how you get more RPM, or it's a lot better for you. So I'm gonna rock this, and like I said, if things need to be swapped out, I'll just get the different ones and swap them out. And then we got the main focus here. The new Alpha Series valve springs, stickers. Dual. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna crack these all open and give you guys a quick little rundown video, like a cinematic video. So this is just a quick unboxing just to show you guys what I'm gonna be rocking for this H22. And then once the build process starts, I'll record that too. The main issue now is I need tools. I need to buy some tools, and I'm ready to roll with that. I'm ready to go. Start to throw this stuff in there. But this is very exciting. I've been waiting for this. I've never done engine stuff, so here we go. This is it. Something different, something new. Cancer and reproductive harm. What is on this? Don't eat it? Superstar. So the next thing I'm gonna get is probably the cams, the Skunk 2 cams, but I'm gonna try out the cams, the Euro R cams that are in the car now, or in the motor now, and then I'll bump it up. We'll do that. And then I want to get little things like stuff for the H, like the brackets for the shift linkage cables, and I'm gonna paint the valve cover. And I'm thinking candy red, not sure yet, but if you guys have a color that you think I should rock, yellow looks tight, but go ahead and drop a comment on what color should I rock. Yeah, so I got a list of things I want to get. Go to my Instagram, you'll see the list of what I'm trying to get. All right, so I cracked this open, pretty sick. So you can enter it online, register your product, warranty card, and then inside is a little booklet. It's like a mini magazine. This is tight right here, check it out. See how everything's going down, how they're making their products. Races, race teams, or yeah, race team. There's cars right there, those are nice. I'm gonna go through this later on. Go through it, check it out. And then back here, look at these bays. Woo! Maybe someday I'll have my bay in this book. Or you guys. You set those goals. And here's some other parts that they offer. This is cool, I like this. Keep this in the car. Sheesh! Oh yeah, so one thing I wasn't sure about doing is getting valves, if it's worth even getting valves. So if I do, I might as well go with the Skunk 2, right? So I'll check and see if they have those in stock, and I can rock their valves. But if not, I'll clean off the ones I have and then relap them and set them in. That's pretty cool. All right, lucky for me, my wife's cousin works at O'Reilly's, so I got a fat discount. Grab some tools, and hopefully these work for taking off the head. And then I went and grabbed the torque wrench. I tried to get a digital one, but they didn't have any in stock. If you guys have any yays or nays on this, let me know. If there's any yays or nays, let me know if this is bad quality or not. those close-ups, some cinematics, so you guys can see the quality of these products. They look crazy, so nice. And yeah, the next video, I'll get some tools and we'll start crack open this head and start installing these parts. And then I can move on to the next upgrade. Let me know, all you guys with the knowledge with the H22s, let me know what I can do to this motor. Because I want to do as much as I can in-house, so I don't need to take it out to a machine shop and have people deal with it like that. So if it's like an in-home job that anybody can do, shoot it, drop it below. A lot of guys got H22s. Let me hear what you guys did, because I'm out here trying to learn, and I'm trying to build the best as I can and learn what I can do. So let me know what you guys think. I'm actually kind of excited I went with Skunk too, because I've seen a video a long time ago of a guy with a Civic, I think it was a hatch, and he had everything Skunk too, and I was like, damn, someday I want to do a car that is all Skunk too, because they provide everything. But that was for like a B18 or something like that. It's for a Civic, so I know it's a little tougher for the H. And what's crazy is, like, I'm going through all these H22 parts and companies and whatnot, and I'm starting to see that K motors have a lot more options. So maybe in the future I'll have to bump it up to a K series and be able to upgrade more stuff. But I really dig the way the H looks inside the Accord, so I'm gonna rock with this, and then of course in the future we'll boost it and see how that goes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let's see what happens in the next video. Peace.